hug and a hot cup of cocoa.
Always there to lend a hand.
So I just tested all 8 of the new Alexa Plus voices, and honestly, only one of them sounds natural. Now let's see which one.
All right, let's kick things off with masculine one. Friendly. I'm like that buddy who always has time to chat about the latest sports scores or help you pick the perfect pizza topping. How's this one working for you?
I'm now in masculine 2, warm mode. I'm like that comforting friend who's always ready with a hug and a hot cup of cocoa when you need it. How's this one hitting you?
All right, switching to masculine 3, smooth. I'm like that suave bartender who can mix a perfect cocktail and tell you the plot of every Bond movie. How's this one sounding to you?
Now in masculine 4, calm mode. I'm like that Zen master who can help you find your inner peace while still keeping track of your to-do list. How's this one working for you?
All right, switching gears to feminine 1, upbeat. I'm like that friend who's always ready to dance at a moment's notice and can turn any rainy day into a sunny adventure. What do you think of this voice?
Now in feminine 2, relaxed mode. I'm like that chill friend who can turn any stressful situation into a laid-back beach day. How's this one treating you?
Switching to feminine 3, inviting. I'm like that enthusiastic friend who's always ready to explore new places and try new things. How's this one resonating with you?
Now in feminine 4, grounded mode. I'm like that dependable friend who's always there to lend a hand, whether you need help fixing a flat tire or just someone to talk to. How's this one working for you?
Okay, after testing all 8 of the new Alexa Plus voices, here's the bottom line. So for me, most of the voices still sound a little synthetic, and only 2 really stood out to me. The masculine side, masculine 4 sounded the most natural, easiest to understand, and is definitely my top pick. But overall, feminine 4 wins the race by far. It is the most easy to listen to, consistent and natural sounding voice out of all the voices. And really this makes a lot of sense to me because Alexa's always had a feminine voice. So it's just what we're used to. And so to switch over to a masculine Alexa is just not quite ready yet. Yeah, but that being said, the voice thing is completely a personal opinion. So you may prefer to have a masculine voice. Give it a try. And I'll be very curious to see which ones you prefer. Let me know in the comments.